A bit of grease is essential to maintaining a variety of machinery, from cars to workshop equipment. ToolPRO grease guns will make the job less messy and much easier. ToolPRO offers 4 grease guns, 3 500mm models and 1 120mm unit. This smaller grease gun has the lowest working pressure of the 4 at 2000 psi. It's handy to keep in the car for quick maintenance or servicing smaller equipment around the workshop. For more capacity and higher working pressure, the variable stroke trigger action gun is a great option. The variable stroke mechanism allows delivery of a precise amount of grease up to a 3000 psi working pressure, and reaching the trickier areas is easy with the 12-inch flexible hose. The 500mm unit twin-piston lever action grease gun gives you a higher working pressure again, 3600 psi. This is the only model to feature lever operation, for easier operation than a trigger mechanism. Finally, for the ultimate heavy-duty applications, there's a 500mm trigger-type gun. This has a working pressure of 4500 psi. Like the variable stroke trigger gun, a 12-inch flexible hose makes tricky grease points easy to reach. All ToolPRO grease guns can be bulk loaded, 120mm for the smallest one and 500mm for the rest. The larger guns can also accept 450g cartridges, and 85g cartridges are available for the smaller gun. Keep your machines running smoothly. Choose the ToolPRO grease gun that suits your style at Supercheap Auto.